In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DocuSign document for signature in this full 2025 guide. First, let's begin by logging into DocuSign. Head over to the DocuSign login page and enter your account credentials to sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the new option and select Send an Envelope. This action will set you up to upload and send your document for signing. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to upload your document. In the Upload section, you can simply drag and drop your file, whether it's a PDF, Word document, or Excel sheet. Alternatively, if you have your documents stored in cloud services like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or Box, you can select them from there. You also have the option of using a template directly from DocuSign. With your document uploaded, the next task is to add recipients. Enter the name and email address of each person who needs to sign the document. If there are multiple signers, be sure to add each one separately. This is where you specify their roles, such as signer, approver, or needs to view, and you can also set a specific signing order if you want them to sign sequentially. After setting your recipients, we move on to writing your email message. Customize the subject line and message that your signers will view when they receive the email. A simple example is, "Please review and sign the attached agreement." This gives your signers clear instructions about what's expected. For the next part, you'll need to add fields to the document. Click Next to access the Fields editor. Here, you can drag and drop various fields like signature, initials, date signed, text boxes, check boxes, radio buttons, and drop downs onto your document for each recipient. Each signer is color-coded, so you can easily assign fields to the correct individual. Before sending your document, take a moment to review everything. Make sure all fields are correctly placed and that each recipient has at least one required signature field. Adjust settings if any fields need to be set as required, optional, or follow certain conditional logic. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to send your document for signature. Click Send, and your recipients will get an email link to review and sign the document. You'll also receive notifications in real time as each person completes their signing task. Finally, let's talk about tracking and managing your document. Go to the DocuSign dashboard and click on Manage to see the status of your envelopes. Here you'll find updates listed as sent, viewed, signed, or completed. When the process is entirely finished, you'll receive a signed PDF copy saved in your DocuSign account. You can also have it automatically saved to your connected cloud storage like OneDrive or Google Drive.